Teleport me! No! No! Present.
Alright, think I heard something? I hear something!
Oh!
Oh god, damn it. Okay.
Well, I
Oh,
got.
and it's a possessed!
Oh So everyone, can someone look away from it really quick and look back?
Oh,
We both looked away from it, but...
Okay, wait.
Taryn?
Oh, what's up?
Be careful, there's someone that's possessed as well, so be careful.
We need to walk. Oh,
they're
there's
coming,
a jack.
they're coming!
We are blocked. We need to get through here.
No, yeah, no.
I was just trying to run.
Oh my god. Dude, I can't get through. I can't get through. Teleport me. Oh. No, fuck! No! 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 Stop it! Stop it! I hate this place! Oh, oh shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Oh, great heavens! Fuck!
Yeah, they're all dead. The dog is inside.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my god, Dorian, turn around. Oh, they left, okay.
You didn't pick up their bodies.
They teleported the mask guy. When enemies are near them, they take damage, and once they take damage, the mob will aggro and attack the shulker. And once they're destroyed, the barricades will leave rubble behind